Hi guys, here 5 square is 25 minus 3 times 6 minus 2 in bracket whole square divided by 2 plus 8. Here 25 minus 3 is 22 times 6 minus 2 in bracket whole square divided by 2 plus 8. Here 22, your bracket is 6 minus 2 is 4, this square divided by 2 plus 8. Here 22 times 4 square is 16 divided by 2 plus 8. Here 22 times 16 is 352 divided by 2 plus 8. Here this 352 divided by 2 is 176 plus 8. Here 176 plus 8 is 186 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 186 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So here 5 square minus 3 in bracket we have 6 minus 2 is 4 square divided by 2 plus 8. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 5 square and 4 square. We have to do this before any other operation. So 5 square is 25 minus 3 times 4 square divided by 2 plus 8. Here 25 minus 3 times 4 square is 16 divided by 2 plus 8. Here we have subtraction, multiplication, division and addition. Here multiplication divisions are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 3 times 16. Here we have to do this 3 times 16 before any other operation. Here 25 minus 3 times 16 is 48 divided by 2 plus 8. Here we have subtraction, division and addition. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 25 minus this is 48 divided by 2 is 24 plus 8. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here subtraction and additions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 25 minus 24 is 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9 is the correct answer.